What's the meaning of amicable? Amicable. 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 Amicable.
The word amicable means having a friendly and peaceful relationship or demeanor, where parties involved are able to resolve a situation in a civil and non-confrontational manner. An amicable resolution results in an outcome that satisfies all parties and minimizes any potential negative impact or damage. It involves communication, cooperation, and compromise to reach a mutual understanding. Amicable solutions are generally preferred as they can strengthen relationships and create a harmonious environment, rather than causing further tension or conflict.